Hello, in this video we will discuss two functions of Excel. One is left and other is right. Okay, so left function, what is how it is used, that it will keep any number of characters on the left hand side and remove the remaining. And the right function, what it will do, it will keep any number of characters which we will mention from the right side of the from a string. Okay, so here is one word, automate. We will keep auto and mate we will remove, equal to left. We will use left function because we want to keep the left side of the string. Left, select the word, comma, how many characters we want to keep. We want to keep auto 4, 1 2 3 4, mention 4, bracket close. So it only kept 4 from the left, and from right side remaining mate is gone. Here is another example. Here we will keep ate from the right and remaining we will remove, equal to sign, right function, select the word, comma, and we want to keep last three characters. Press 3. You can see it is done.